Greetings and welcome to Interpersonal Communication, a course that will explore all the ways that humans communicate and hopefully put you on the path to more effective communication that will help you succeed in your educational and professional lives. I'm Michael Fairley. I'm your instructor for this semester, and let's take a little time to preview the course, and I'll share with you some information that will help you manage the assignments and do well. First, this is an online course, so we will be communicating in a variety of ways. My office is located in Lindsay Petrus, Suite 117. These are ways that you can contact me via office phone, cell phone, email, and you may also visit me in my office. If these hours are not sufficient for you, let me know and we will make arrangements. When you email me, include this course name and number in your email so I'll know which course that you are in. Our text for this course is called Interpersonal Communication. It's available at the RCC bookstore. And now let's share some other information about the course. View this link at least once a day because this is where you will find messages about the course. If you would like information about the chair of the English department, you may find that information here. And information about the Dean of Arts and Sciences, you'll find that information here. This tab will also give you more information about your instructor. This information features the course syllabus. This link features the course ICR, which has important information about grading and course policies. Also, I have this quick guide to COM 120. It contains most of the information that's in the ICR, but it's presented in a condensed format. So we're going to take a look at it. All right, so here's a quick guide to interpersonal communication. First, let's talk about your grades. You are in grades this semester in the following manner. 70% of your grades will come from your scores on these assignments. 20% of your grade will come from scores on 16 quizzes. There will be a quiz every week. There are no makeup assignments, but if you should miss a quiz, you can write a 2-page quiz review on one of the videos featured that week. You will have 1 week from the day you miss the quiz to post your review to the QR link on Moodle, which will be beneath the most recent quiz. So 70% of your grades will come from these exercises. 20% of your grades will come from the quizzes. 10% of your grades will come from your responses to weekly discussion posts. Your initial post must feature at least 100 words, and you must respond to at least 2 classmate posts. Because this is an online class, attendance is measured by your completing an assignment on time. Simply logging on to the course, looking at an assignment, and closing it does not constitute attendance. Because this is an online course, you will have one proctored exam, and I will provide more details about that later this semester. Some of the other assignments you will take part in include the following: the Rainbow Passage exercise, monologue activity, interpersonal exploration projects, popular culture presentations, and you will also deliver a couple of speeches this semester too. Although this is not a public speaking class, you will find yourself sometime in your academic and professional lives having to give a presentation. And so having you present 3 speeches will prepare you in that regard. One speech will be a 3 to 5 minute narrative speech in which you recount a personal experience that taught you something. Your second speech will be a demonstration speech in which you show or demonstrate to us how something is made or done. Your third speech will be a 3 to 5 minute tribute to family member or a friend. It shows why you find this person's life interesting, or if this person has played a role in your life that is memorable, and this person is someone who has set the course for your life as it is today. All right, so for these speeches, we are going to help you prepare them so that you can talk to your audience and not read to the audience. When you're delivering the speeches, 95% of your time at the podium, you should be looking at your audience. The remaining 5% of the time, you should be looking at your notes. We will help you prepare speech notes that will help you accomplish that task. Now, anyone who misses more than 3 assignments should consider withdrawing from the course. But if you decide to stay in the course, any additional assignment that you miss will constitute your final grade dropping by 3 points. Also, late assignments will lose 10 points for every day they are late, and the weekends count as well. All right. And before you begin this journey, would like for you to watch this video. It features our very own Dean Kevin Parson, and he has vital information to share with you about ways that you can be successful this semester. So watch Dean Parsons' message, and then after you watch Dean Parsons' message, complete the orientation quiz. This quiz will serve as your attendance for the week. You must complete it by midnight on January 19th. Those who do not complete this assignment, the computer will remove you from the class. Also, I want you to comment, post your comments to the welcome forum to introduce yourself to your classmates so we can learn more about each other. Here you will also have here's a discussion board rubric to show you how to make effective posts to the discussion board. All right, week 1 assignments. Week 1 assignments must be completed by midnight Thursday, January the 19th. And you should watch this video by Amy Walker. And after watching this clip, make your post to the discussion board, and then want you to open this page for a lecture about the communications process and our ability, and it's going to talk about features of the communications process that are unique to humans and facets of the communication process that often lead to misunderstanding. Here is discussion post, and you will also complete an assignment on noise. We hear noise in our daily lives, but noise in communication involves a variety of factors. For example, yes, sound is noise in communication, but also in communication, a flashing light in a room is considered noise. Hunger is considered noise. A medical illness is considered noise. An issue that is weighing heavily on your mind and that's robbing you of concentration, that is considered noise as well. Anything that prevents you from receiving a message clearly or delivering a message clearly, all of those are considered noise. All right, so that is a look at everything that needs your attention for week 1. Again, I'm looking for an exciting semester, and I hope you're looking for an exciting semester as well. And again, if you need to get in touch with me, you may call me in the office, you may call or text my cell phone, you may email me, or you may come by the office and visit me at one of these times. If none of these is convenient for you, let me know and we'll make arrangements. Looking forward to a fabulous semester with you and looking forward to hearing from you soon.